What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and I'm out here at the KALEIDESCAPE, guys. I got Jeff here, who's going to give us a quick little rundown of what makes the system so special and what's the latest and greatest that they have to offer. If you're not already one of my subscribers, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up. All right, over to you, Jeff.
All right, thanks, Zach. Real excited to be here at CEDIA this year. You know, the big news from KALEIDESCAPE is just how much content we have available for people to watch in their home theaters. We're over 11,000 titles, over 800 in 4K, many at HDR, so just a tremendous amount of content that's all available from KALEIDESCAPE. And that content is playable on our Strato S server or Strato C movie player, which provide for the very highest quality playback of audio and video, so that you're getting the most out of the theater that you're putting into your house. The KALEIDESCAPE system is renowned for its simple user interface and the ability to move around a system, and it's all based on the metadata that KALEIDESCAPE hand curates for every single title. We identify many of the scenes that are in movies that people would enjoy, and all the actors and the directors and the genres. And so on any of those types of metadata, you can search, you can organize your content, so it's real easy to find new content, and it's real easy to discover new content that you might enjoy. And then, of course, when you go to play that movie, that metadata can trigger automation controls for things like bringing down the lights at the beginning of the movie, slowly bringing up the lights at the end of the movie, or even interrupt, if you hit intermission, having the lights come up a little bit so you can get in and out of the room safely. So lots of unique features that make the home cinema experience really something special when you're using a KALEIDESCAPE as your content source.
Awesome. Well, that about summarizes it. You know, whenever we put in a awesome theater for you guys, you got to have the content. You want the latest, the greatest, the best. So what does the system like this cost?
Well, a Strato S starts at $54.95 MSRP, so just over $5,000 to get the player, and then the movies cost about the same as the disc. So you purchase movies with the KALEIDESCAPE model, you own them, you can watch them as many times as you want, you can store them locally on the Strato system, or you can leave them in the cloud and download them only when you want to watch them.
Well said. Well, hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative and helping you making a buying decision. If you would like to purchase something like this, we'd be happy to help you out. Just give our sales team a call and or an email. If you like this video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. This is Zach and Jeff here. Until next time, thank you for watching.
Thank you.